25 Doongarra Crescent in Gracemere is on a slightly elevated block overlooking the other homes, and what I love about it are these light coloured bricks and the tiled roof. Let's go inside and see what the floor plan looks like. This home has a great floor plan. At the front of the house, there's a second living area. But what I really love about the home is from the control center, the kitchen of the home, you've got a great view across the backyard watching everyone play, but it's got an oversized patio that's really fantastic for entertaining. 25 Doongarra Crescent in Gracemere is a unique looking home with a fantastic large backyard with side access. If we can help you own this property, why don't you give our team a call? We would love to help you out.